Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing this shirt, but today in LA, it's opening day for the Dodgers, so everyone's out supporting and everyone's out partying, and I'm here to support because I'm from LA. Anyway, so today I'm gonna do a quick video on how to slay a synthetic ponytail from Amazon for under $10. Can you believe it? Here it is. This is it. Anyway, so I'm gonna name a few things that you're gonna need. Paddle brush, bristle brush, dry shampoo, rat tail comb, ponytail holders, and maybe some bobby pins depending on how your hair is in the back. This scrunchie I'm not gonna use, so I'm just using it to hold my hair in place. So what I'm gonna do is get my paddle brush and comb everything out and kind of clean it up a little bit because clearly it's like crazy and messed up. So however you want to do it, high, low, middle, same procedure, same thing. So I like mine pretty high, so I'm gonna go kind of high. Sometimes I go super Ariana Grande high, like right here to the side. That's my thing, but today I'm just gonna keep it, keep it simple. Next, I'm going to get some pomade. It's a little bit. And you guys, I've used edge control, I've used gel, I've used hairspray, I've used a million things, and I'm telling you, pomade is the best thing for my hair, only because I don't wash my hair every day, and this doesn't flake up on me, it stays in place, the smell is okay. Anyway, so brushing it out with my pomade, brushing it out with my bristle brush, cleaning it all up. The back really doesn't matter because the ponytail is actually going to cover it, so it doesn't matter. But if you have shorter hair, like shorter than mine, you can that's where the bobby pins come in. You can just bobby pin. And sometimes if I wear my hair out like this, just this struggling ponytail, I'll put a bobby pin back there just to hold that, because for some reason this part's always sticking out. Don't ask me why. So there you go. So I cleaned it all up. This is where I get my ponytail. I have a few here because sometimes they break or, they don't work as good. So I'm gonna pull my hair up. I'm gonna go actually a little bit higher. So let's do that. I'm gonna go high. Put this ponytail together. And then go back in. I'm not a baby hairs kind of person, but I am gonna lay, because I have a weird hairline, so I'm gonna lay a little bit down. There you go. There you go. So once you have everything in place and the way you like it, this is when you get your ponytail. This is no extensions, no clip-ins, no wig, no nothing. It's really simple. This will take you literally 10 minutes. So this has one little clip here, and what you're gonna do is clip this to the top of the ponytail. Way at the top, because when it slides down, it's gonna slide down. So do it higher than you actually would normally wear it. And it comes with these strings. And then you just tie it. That's all you gotta do. Pretty simple. There you go. Look at this. I like my ponytails to the side. I don't know. I'm just a 90s kid, so I'm just like, I love side ponytails. I love me some side ponytail. So here it is. This is where the dry shampoo comes in, just in case if you feel like it's a little too shiny for your taste. Just dry shampoo it. It's just dry shampoo. It turned a little white on me. So if it turns a little white, just brush it out. There you go. And if you want to wear it to the middle, you can. You can wear it up in a bun. You can do whatever. This is what it is. Really simple. If you are struggling for a ponytail, and if you're in a hurry, if your hair's dirty, just put the shit up in a ponytail. Like, who cares? It's real simple. Synthetic hair. Couple uses, throw it out. Who cares? It's I love it. If you go to my Instagram, you'll see all my pictures with ponytails. I love me a ponytail. So here it goes. Amazon, under $10. Can you believe it? I'll put the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye.